At Anytime Sign, the sky's the limit when it comes to custom-made patches. Anytime Sign can make Velcro-backed patches in any custom shape, any size. And that means any shape, any size. If you need a large quantity of patches, we screen print them. We have a wide selection of different patch materials to choose from. Reflective or infrared solas, engineer grade reflective, 3M prismatic, or reversed polycarbonate, which we call PCX. Custom shapes can be laser cut, or if it's a large order, we can die cut them. If you only need a few patches or need patches that are full color, we can make your patches by digitally printing them. You can get the full color patches either in Polyester PCX or engineer grade reflective, printed and cut to your specifications. Thank you.